Hello, it's Monday the 16th of January 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The US dollar strengthened versus most major currencies as risk appetite grew stronger following S&P's downgrading of the 9 euro nations' ratings. Those downgrades provided another excuse for the speculative community to add to their short positions. Stocks closed negative as the Nasdaq fell by 0.51% and the Dow by 0.39%. Oil dropped by 2% to a 3-week low on speculation that measures to quell Europe's debt crisis are failing, countered Iran's call to Arab suppliers to refrain from supporting a ban on its crude exports, and closed at $99.15 a barrel. Gold fell by 0.60% to close at $1,638 an ounce. Today, US banks will be closed in observance of Martin Luther King Day. The euro fell to its weakest level since August 2010 as the Dow Jones reported several European nations may face imminent downgrade. Standard & Poor's stripped France, the second largest economy in the Eurozone, of its top credit rating and cut 8 other Eurozone nations. Germany was able to keep theirs, while Italy and Spain were downgraded by 2 notches. The trend for the pair remains bearish as long as it's located below the 127.80 resistance level. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 126.23 and a high of 128.66. The British pound fell versus the dollar as the greenback continued to benefit from risk aversion amid European banking sector concerns and after speculation which came true that Standard & Poor's would make rating cuts. Holding below the key resistance level of 154 is keeping the momentum for the pair negative. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 152.32 and a high of 154.08. No economic data is expected today. The yen declined versus the US dollar after Japan's Prime Minister Yoshihiko said containing Japan's public debt load, the world's largest, is critical after Standard & Poor's downgraded credit ratings on France, Austria and 7 other European nations. Technically, holding above the support level of 76.50 will remain momentum of the pair positive. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 76.65 and a high of 77.04. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This weakened slightly versus the US dollar as more concerns regarding the European debt crisis increased demand for the greenback. In addition, the currency, which is linked to commodities, lost ground over crude oil losses. According to the 4-hour chart, the pair is facing resistance at 102.80, and once it's breached, the pair will continue towards 103.20. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.62 and a high of 102.82. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.